We have this little elf here. He's just cute, and we're gonna cut him out and get him put on there with some lights, just like in the beard, on his feet, or something, so we'll throw some lights on. He'll be fun.
Gonna be a stand for the front yard?
Yeah.
Going all fancy this year.
He's looking very elfy.
Got her done, Gare?
Yep.
What are you doing, Mom?
We're gonna put him at the front of the gate, so he's not gonna have lights anymore because we can't run a cord, you know, down the driveway, you know, 300 feet. So, I mean, we could, but it looked a little silly. There he is, the lone elf in the desert.
He looks great.
Did a good job.
Hey, you're the cotton ball person.
And all the bells on her shall ring on Christmas Day, and all the